Hey guys, so what we're going to be talking and covering now is unity breath. So very important, extremely important. Unity breath. What is unity breath? The unity breath is when you, Mother Earth, and Father Sky, Father Sun become one through the breath. And so I'll explain. The unity breath will allow you to also, by the way, expand your Merkaba, the light energy vehicle. So you have a shushumna, as they call it in India, a tube. It's called a breathing tube, going from the very center of your body, of your spine, all the way down. And what you want to be using is this tube to breathe. We used to breathe that way a long time ago, and as a species we forgot how to breathe and we started to breathe the wrong way. So what you what you need to do is to connect with Mother Earth, and this is a practice that you should do daily. You should always be connecting with Mother Earth. So from your heart chakra, what you could do is from your heart chakra going down through the root chakra, you send an energy field all the way down to the center of the planet Earth. It's planet Earth heart. And so you connect with her heart. And before doing that, you ask her in your prayers, Dear Mother Earth, I connect my heart to your heart because I love you and I honor you. Please accept my love. And you connect with a lot of love and a lot of care. You connect to the heart of Mother Earth. And she will receive you and send you back an incredible amount of love as well, which will come back up through the same energetic rope that you send down all the way up through your root chakra to your heart chakra, which will take over all of your body. And what I usually see when this happens is a red color, so it's very grounding. It fills your it fills your whole body with a red energy. And once you're all red, completely red, you're full of Mother Earth energy. And you can stay there a little moment if you want, but what's important is to really connect with her and feel her energy. You're now fully grounded and connected to Mother Earth, which is really beautiful, very important. Now, you're not done though. I'm sorry. So the next step is to connect with Father Sun. And so what you'll do next, same process, from the heart chakra you will send another being through the crown chakra all the way up to the sun, to the center of the sun. But just before you do that, you set an intention and you tell Father Sun, I love you. Please allow my heart to connect to your heart. And you say that, I love you, I love you, I love you. Please allow my heart to connect to your heart. And you visualize again. You visualize your energy field going all the way to the center of the sun. Father Sun will receive your energy and will send you back his love and his energy, coming all the way down into your crown chakra. And from your crown chakra is going to fill your whole body up of white gold cosmic energy. And try to be slow here because it could get overwhelming here. It's cosmic energy, So you allow this energy to fill your whole being, so your body, your soul, your aura, completely filled. And now you are connected to both Mother Earth and Father Sun. What's very important now is to lock both energies into your heart. And in your heart, you say, Christian Ray is my name. I say I love you as well, because now you said I love you to Mother Earth. You said I love you to Father Sun, but you got to love yourself too. The Holy Trinity. This is what we're talking about here. So now the Holy Trinity is in your heart. You are holding both Mother Earth and Father Sun in your sacred heart. And they are very grateful also for you, because you're being this vehicle that allows them to connect in this very intimate way. You need three. You need the Holy Trinity. And through you, with your good intentions and with your good heart and with your love, you're allowing both of your parents, your real parents, by the way, not biological in that sense. You're allowing both your real parents to connect and make love, in a sense, through and in your sacred heart. And you can only imagine how powerful and how sacred this practice is. Energetically, you're off the roof. You're completely energized and you stay there. You're plugged in. This is like a Tesla electrical car being plugged into millions of watts. You're off the roof. So you're connecting and you stay here, and you're going to be buzzing and pulsing energy, and you stay plugged in as long as you can. You stay here. And you're like, and that's what you want, that's what you want, that's what you're doing. And so, unity breath now. Because so far we're talking about visualization in order to connect to Mother Earth and Father Sun. You feel it, of course, there's the connection. Once you're feeling it, now begins the actual breath work. Why it's called unity breath. Because you become one with Mother Earth and Father Sun and yourself, the sacred you, the Trinity, the Holy Trinity. And so, through both the root chakra again and the crown chakra, with your breath, both energies meet at the heart. And in the heart, when you exhale, you expand and radiate the energy of both into your auric field. You'll visualize again. At first it's all about visualization. With practice you will not visualize anymore, you will actually feel it and sense it. But at first visualization is extremely important. So you use your visualization, you visualize the sphere of energy around you. And there's also the Leonardo sphere that they call. The famous Leonardo, he drew with sacred geometry the sphere that's around you. So if you want to use the Leonardo sphere in order to know how big it should be, you put your hands far, and the tips of your fingers, you know what I mean, and also about a hand above your head, you will be able to have an idea of how wide this energetic field is. You know, you can find some drawings online of the Leonardo sphere. So you are now pulsing and plugged into Mother Earth and Father Sun. You're pulsing energy through your sacred heart. Now, you remember Jesus Christ was always talking and pointing to the heart, and it had some fire in it, you know what I mean? There's some very deep teachings here that you can research deeper. But without getting into details, this is a very sacred practice and very powerful practice. And so here we are connecting the Trinity, the Holy Trinity, into your heart chakra and expanding it in order to fill your energetic field in your aura and your energetic body. And so you inhale. Every inhales should be coming from both above and beyond. Inhale into your heart chakra, and then you exhale. You fill the field and continue. So this is the unity breath. You're breathing, the tube breathing. You're breathing from the tubes of your crown and your root to your heart chakra, and you exhale. You fill it up. This is a very powerful practice. This is simple unity breath. The unity breath will take you to expanding your Merkaba, which is extremely important. You have no idea how important this is, and I will have to make another video shortly to explain what the Merkaba is and how you can expand it. But start with this. Start with the unity breath, because this unity breath will allow you to expand your Merkaba. So keep working on this, and keep breathing this way. Unity breath. And when you're connected to Mother Earth and Father Sun, you won't want to get out of your meditation. You'll be in a space where you're feeling this pulsation. Stay there as long as you can. Know that you're recharging. You're recharging your batteries. And you can just stay there and continue just to breathe. By doing this unity breath, you will assure that you're always connected to Mother Earth and Father Sky, and you will always be a child of God. And only good things happen to children of God. Think about that one. And so you will be protected by Mother Earth and Father Sky, and you will be at the right place at the right time. You'll be guided. And when you're in there, that's when you can start communicating with your higher self, with your guide, and so on. You can stay there a very long time, and you can start tapping into future events. If you want to see the future, you can hear things and see things, feel things that are very beneficial to you personally for your own well-being. But what I would recommend you to do is to find out what is your mission in this life. Your mission is not to sit on a couch and watch television. Your mission is not your job. It's not your career. Your mission is not to be famous, and it's not to look good or whatever the society brainwashed you to believe. You have a divine mission. You incarnated in this life for a reason, and you need to find out what that reason is. It's very important. You need to find out what that mission is, and then do everything you can to fulfill that mission. Most of us have more than one mission. You want to do everything you can to fulfill the missions that you came here for, because you came here for a reason. You didn't just come here to chill, did you? And some of us did, but some of us have a bit different. Some of us can't take vacations in the sense that we just can't just chill. There's always spiritual work to do, and that's all good because that's what we're here for. So anyways, please practice this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and research online. And good luck.